How do you swap out a single plank in a floating floor without ripping up the entire room? It's a simple trick most DIYers have never learned.
First, he draws a straight line down the center, then sketches triangle shapes on both ends, creating a Y pattern. With an oscillating multi-tool, he carefully cuts along those lines, stopping just before the triangle tips so the nearby planks stay safe. Once the center section is removed, the tension is gone, making it easy to lift out that middle piece. This makes it possible to gently loosen and remove the side sections from the locking system without harming the rest of the floor.
Now here's the important part: you can't just click a new plank into place in the middle of the floor. So, he customizes the replacement piece. Using a utility knife, he shaves off the bottom lip of the groove and trims the tongue edges, turning it into a drop-in board. Then, he spreads wood glue on the subfloor and along the edges of the surrounding planks. Finally, he sets the new plank in place and taps it snug with a rubber mallet.